know what's gonna happen.
No, Steve, fucking do not. Do not. I swear to God. Go put it on the rock.
Fuck that. I'm moving away. Up, there's someone here. There's a dog here.
Alright, we're done. Is your dog here?
I don't know.
No. Please, come on.
You gotta make sure it's straight up.
Doesn't matter.
What do you mean? It's gonna shoot somewhere.
Oh my God, that was so retarded. Ah, shit, I think I messed this up.
It's gonna blow up in his face.
No, Steve, you fucking retard.
Go further away.
Doesn't matter, I gotta get close to it anyway. I just don't want to fucking do it and it's going to like fly over the fucking place.
That thing, it's not gonna fly. It's just gonna explode.
Yeah, that's even worse.
It's like a bomb. Holy fuck! What the fuck?
No, get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here.
It's over there by the fucking tree.
Steve.